You're thinking about moving to Tucson, Arizona or near Tucson, Arizona, and right now you're looking at investigating the areas in northwest Tucson or north and west of Tucson. Well, you're in luck because in today's video, we're going to take a look around one of Arizona's top master plan communities. Let's get to it. If you're new to this channel and want to learn everything from A to Z about living in Tucson, AZ, then click subscribe and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in Tucson, Arizona. Hi, I'm Dustin Smith. My wife Jennifer and I have helped hundreds of people just like you move to and from Tucson, Arizona. So whether you're moving in 12 days, 12 weeks, or 12 months, give us a call, shoot us a text or an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Tucson. So if you haven't guessed by now, we're over here in Gladden Farms in Marana, Arizona. Now, Gladden Farms was actually named as a top 10 master plan community by Ranking Arizona. And in my experience, a lot of people like Gladden Farms and even the Marana area in general, because it is so far like north and west in Tucson, or Marana is actually its own municipality, but generically referred to as Tucson, that instead of being about 2 hours away from Phoenix that most Tucsonans tell people that they are, you're closer to about an hour and a half away from the Phoenix area. So if you're kind of torn between the two areas, up here kind of gives you that sweet spot where you can commute up to Phoenix and have access to all the different shopping options, restaurant options, or visiting family up there. Or if you want the Tucson area, I mean, you're only about 20 to 25 minutes away from downtown Tucson and the U of A. So you still have all that options at your back door right here. All right, so there are some notable features specific to Gladden Farms. So Gladden Farms has set aside over 850 acres of green space. So areas like the area where I'm in, where there's walking paths, cycling paths, grass, there's actually over 30 parks and 24 playgrounds. So there's just a huge focus in the community for having some outdoor space, places to take the family to. They've got grills around. There's actually a community park with a splash pad, and they're resurfacing that splash pad. So by summer of 2025, that'll have all, brand new surfacing there. So Gladden Farms has been around for a while. It is a well-established master plan community, but there's still a lot of new construction going on. So most of the major players have home sites here, including KB, Lennar, Mattamy, Meritage, and Richmond American. So if you're looking at a new build home, we can definitely help you out with that here. And in today's video, we're actually gonna go explore some neighborhoods that have some resale homes available to kind of see what you can get into quick. So with that said, let's go check some stuff out. So the first neighborhood we're checking out is one of the older neighborhoods in Gladden Farms. So the home behind me was built in 2005. It's currently on market at $315,000. It's 1,776 square foot with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on 0.14 acres. Now there's a few things that I love about this home. It has both front and rear patio. So if you want to sit on the front patio and be social, talk to neighbors, you've got that option. Or if you want to enjoy the privacy of your backyard, do some grilling or just hang out outside, you've got that option too. Now this home does have fresh exterior paint, going to be important when you're talking about a home that is pushing 20 years old now. And I really also do love tile roofs. Now the tile itself is very durable. It's going to last a really long time. But after you get to about that 20-year mark, you need to start paying regular and closer attention to your roof and ceiling. So have regular roof inspections done on there. I mean, you should always pay close attention to your roof, but sometime after like that 20 to 25-year mark, they say you're going to need to replace the underneath the tiles because that's where your true waterproofing comes from. So yeah, I hope you guys like this neighborhood. We got more to look at, so let's go check out a couple more homes. So we've made it to our next home right here, and we've bumped up the price a little bit. So this home behind me is currently priced at $435,000. And of course, it's a little bit newer. It's a 2017 home. So a lot of the stuff, you know, is still basically brand new. It's gonna definitely show inside and out. It's also on a little bit larger of a lot. So it's a 0.17 acre lot, and it's 2,436 square foot with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So everything for the extra money there is also increased, and we still have that tile roof. And what's really neat is it's just not a brand new home. Owners have had a chance to really upgrade the backyard right here. So they've made a very luscious, like gardeny backyard with a beautiful, like built-in fountain, and they've got view fencing back there. So a lot of personal touches on this one. And it's kind of, you know, nice as opposed to when you buy a brand new home, you've got to do a lot of that stuff yourself. I know a lot of people do like doing that and making things their own. But here you just have something that's really beautiful and ready to go. So we've got one more home to show you guys. Let's keep rolling. So the last neighborhood and last home we're checking out today is also the newest neighborhood. So the home behind me was built in 2018. It has 2,723 square foot in it. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and it's currently listed at $540,000. Now, it's also on 0.17 acres, just like that last home that we looked at, but because it's a 2-story home, it's gonna have a smaller footprint on the property, which gives you more space in the yard. And speaking of the yard, this home is already set up with a gorgeous pool and spa, the whole setup, water feature, pavers, just like you may want it. I've actually got a client who came back to me with a recent quote for something similar that came in around $200,000 to set up. So, I mean, pools are getting kind of crazy to build. I mean, even if you do, you get to make it your way, which is awesome, but this already has that for you. And it's the only home that we've looked at today that actually has like a full pool and spa on the property. Now, another neat thing about this neighborhood is that it is actually joined to the Gladden Farms Community Park. So over there, you've got baseball fields, soccer fields, you've got the dog park over there, and the community splash pad. So I hope you guys liked looking around this neighborhood. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like it, give it a like. And if you haven't already, click subscribe and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in Tucson, Arizona. And if you or someone you know is thinking about moving to or from Tucson, give us a call, shoot us a text or an email. We'd love to help you make that smooth move. And if there's something about today's video you'd like to let us know, something about Gladden Farms, the Marana area, a suggestion for another video, we'd also love to hear that. We love your guys' comments and we do our best to reply to them. So whatever it is, throw something in the comments. We look forward to reading it and responding to you. And we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you.